this is how the egg cooker looks. It's so cute. It's so tiny. I didn't expect it to be tiny. Actually, here in the video also you can use. It's actually looking big, but it's not. It's actually really tiny. It's really small. For some reason, my son didn't want to keep it in the kitchen. He wanted to me to record it right in front of the fireplace here because he wanted to actually try it. So I'm going to make him do it. So this is how it comes. It's cute, and you open this lid here and you have this two pieces that you can use to do like omelette style, or like just poach eggs. So those are all the settings for that. So we're not going to do that. We will just do the hard boiled egg. And we like it more like hard boiled, so that's what we're going to do. So this is the measuring cup that it comes with, and it has like settings. It has like three, or what is this? Yeah, it has three settings here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like soft, medium, hard. So if you want like soft, you can like keep this much water, medium this much, and hard. For fully hard boiled eggs you have to put this much water in this area here. So that's what we are going to do. So my son is going to try that, and it also comes with this thing, and this thing is actually to put it underneath here, so that you can pull it out, right? So what you need to do is this goes over it, and so that it's easy to pull it out once it's cooked. So I don't know how to, okay, I guess I can just make it stand like that, and then we're going to keep the water. I'm going to put the water and then put the eggs, and then my son is going to try it. So I want to see if he can do it. So he was really excited to do that. So I think I need to remove this one here, and there's like this cover here. If you remove, there's like this thing that is, it has like a nail here. So you have to make a hole on the top of the egg, and then you need to keep the eggs in that. So we got the water. So what I'm going to do is just pour the water in here. So what it does is, this is, I'm putting it for the hard boiled egg, so I put so much. As you can see, let me show you guys, lift it and show how much water it's inside. Okay, so that's where the water is, and then keep that back.
Okay.
And now my son is going to do this thing, and then we're going to on that. Okay, so we're not going to on that yet. So what you need to do,
Is this the bottom?
no, hold it here near the camera first.
Which
Okay,
is the bottom?
so you need to make a hole at the fatter side of the egg. So this is the thinner side of the egg at the top. Okay, so you just poke it slowly. So you just have to, oh, okay, there you go. Okay, so we put all the 6 eggs now. We made holes and put it. Now we are just going to cover it. And the way you need to cover it, Chinna, not like that. Like that, and then it locks. See that? It locks. Wait, sorry.
These have to go in.
Yeah. Like that. Got? So it got locked, right?
And now you
Now
click
it's
this
ready to get cooked. So now you can just on that button.
But it didn't work.
It didn't work. Yeah, the blue light should come on. So now it's actually starting to cook. You can't see the light there, I guess. It's like glaring or something, but there's a blue light, clear blue light. Oh my God, I can't see it. Why can't I see the blue? Okay, there, if I go closer. It's actually
it's like
fully
it
blue
looks
light.
Like a light bulb on that one.
Yeah, but
It's
here it
actually
looks like a white light, but it's fully clearly blue light. So the blue light is coming on, and now when it's ready, I think it sings. So you can see that how even like my 10-year-old can actually make it. Just put water in it and put the eggs, and then they can press it. So you can do it. And okay, I'm showing my fireplace. I on it like, I don't know, after a year. Did we on it after a year?
like
More than a year maybe. Yeah, we never on the fireplace. Like I have this what is this? It's like the gas fireplace, so I don't think that's real wood inside there.
It's artificial.
It's artificial wood. So I on it after a long time.
But
Today
it
it's
is
like
fine
raining
music,
outside.
But it looks like hot.
Can you open the door? Let's show the rain. Actually rain stopped. But it's like really nice outside, and the
Since
eggs
the rain
are getting
stopped,
boiled.
After the eggs are boiled, can I go outside?
Yeah. Dude, why do you have that Amazon thingy there?
What do you mean I'm not thinking?
That box. Why do you have the box there with
Because
the
it's
pot?
there.
Okay. So it seems nice. It's raining after a few days of nice sun. So it feels good, like the cool breeze. It feels good. Looks nice. And as you can see, guys, I had showed you guys before my apple tree. Lot of apples are coming up. I don't know if I can focus, but you can see the apples there, right there. They've become big, little bit bigger now. There is apple. I don't want to put my camera in the rain, but yeah, you can see the apples there. There's more. They're all underneath actually, under the leaves. But for some reason, we cut the apple tree on the side last, like when my dad was here, he cut the branches. But then it's grown even more wider now. It was like a semi-dwarf plant that I had got when I got it. It was so tiny, but it's become so wide right now after cutting. My peach, I think this time I'm not going to get any peach because last time we had cut the whole big branch. So now it's like kind of coming on the sides.
There's like
Yeah,
a
but
big
this year we may not get it because
we might get some.
one year we get a lot, one year we don't. But now, since we cut last year, now it's still kind of coming up. So this year I don't think we'll see any peaches. And I don't see any nectarines also this year, strangely. I mean,
It's been a long time since I've had
no, last year we had some nectarine, like some 10 nectarines came, I think that's it. But this year, no nectarine. Peaches, I get like, oh my god, I don't know, hundreds of peaches I get. A lot. So that's why we cut the tree. It was too big. It was falling down, like, it gets heavy. And there seems to be an apple right there on my fence. Maybe a squirrel put it there, trying to eat it.
Oh, it's still there?
Yeah.
It's been there from yesterday.
It's there from yesterday? Okay.
Mhm.
You will know because you're the one most of the time in the backyard. And oh my god! Look at this! Remember?
It's growing.
Yeah, I don't know, but if it is the same thing, we put some cilantro seeds here, like the coriander seeds, in that pot, and it looks like there's a sprout coming out. But see that tiny plant? But we don't know if it is. It doesn't look like cilantro, but we'll know only when it comes up a little bit. Show me your beautiful face. Should we show you a beautiful
I don't
face?
know.
Should we show you a beautiful face? Come this side. Let's show. My son always wants to be in my vlogs, but I was not allowing it. But there is the beautiful face. This is my younger one. Hi.
Hello.
Come this side. Say hi now.
Right here. Oh.
Hi. What have you built?
The spaceship.
Show me. Wow. Such a big one. At least you're spending time doing that now. Unlike your brother who is completely on video games. Wow. It's so nice and chilly, right? Look at that tree. My neighbor has this tree. It's so big. It's grown like so tall right now. I mean, my neighbor is not here anymore. Like they've rented it right now. They moved to a different place, but their tree reminds me of them because we bought these homes all together at the same time. We built these homes, so we know like some of the people from the time we were building the houses. So big, right? That tree is so big. Oh, it's cold, but it's nice. Nice and cold. Okay, the egg thing is going to be probably done. It'll make music. Tell me when it makes music. So that's it, guys. My patio. It's all broken. My dad has like done quick fixes here, but I need to change this whole wood here. Ooh, there's a plane. Sorry, a plane flying. And I need to fix this whole wood. Basically, I need to get it removed and put a new one because everywhere it's broken. So usually when my dad is here, he helps me with all these things. Like I don't even know sometimes what are broken, what's not broken, but he kind of finds things to fix for me, and then he will do all these quick fixes and go. It's nice. It looks nice. Okay, guys, it's done. You can see the music. It's like.
Do I unplug it?
No, wait. Yeah, so no, let me show them that the light is gone now, and then it started making the singing noise. How cool is that, right? Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I just wanted that music. Okay, so now unplug it and then wait. Let's not open it right away because it'll be hot. Maybe let me try it. Yeah, it's hot here, right? You need to be careful. You need to open it. If you open it, you have to take a rag or no, not that.
It's fine.
Take a towel or something and then open it. Okay. So let me open just. Oh my God, it feels hot. So I think you can't touch it right now. We need to give it some time. If we lift, oh my God, I'm scared that I'm going to make the eggs fall or something. Okay. So if you lift it up, you can see. I saw this in many videos that you will actually see a little burn like that because the water is like evaporated, but then you can't put more water because there's a maximum like they show a line which you have to put, so only this much. So I guess I have to just scrub and clean that properly. So I saw that in many of the videos where they were showing that it happens like that.
And these are the eggs.
Now these are the eggs and we are going to open them. Maybe let it cool a little bit, right?
And the camera is about to die.
It's about to die, yeah. So we will open them and then show them how it looks inside, whether it's fully cooked or not, like the way we do it, right? In the water, let's see, it looks the same. As you can see, guys, it's so easy to peel. I just put it in the cold water because they're hot. I just wanted to show you guys. So very easy to peel. Wow. Do you get the knife?
No.
Okay, so let's peel it first. Really, it comes out real easy. Perfectly cooked yolks, ready to eat. So there you go, guys. So I think this Amazon find was a good one, just because like even kids can like operate it, and when there's nothing and they or if you're sick or at that time, they can like boil their eggs on their own, or when your son is coming from school and he wants a snack and he can do it on his own because it makes the sound, so he knows when it's ready. So I think this was a good thing. They look good, right? And you can also use these to make like poached egg, and this other one. Okay, I have water in there because there was too much water in this. But these two for like, you can use this for poached eggs, and you can make some omelette in this, like mix like whatever veggies you want and stuff and make kind of like an omelette in this. So pretty handy, I would say. So I'm not disappointed with this purchase. And it comes in different colors. So you can buy any color you want. I just wanted the white. So
It's already past 2 minutes.
So that's it, guys. Bye. My son is telling me the time, so bye. So this was a really good buy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.
Bye, guys, and subscribe to my mom's channel.